Once upon a time, in a small farming village nestled between rolling hills and lush fields, there lived an old farmer named Jacob. Jacob was known far and wide for his expertise in irrigation systems, especially his beloved hydraulic pump, which had been in his family for generations one hot summer day. As Jacob was preparing to water his crops, disaster struck. The hydraulic pump suddenly stopped working. Jacob tried everything he knew to fix it, but nothing seemed to work without the pump. His crops would wither, and his livelihood would be in jeopardy. Feeling desperate, Jacob decided to seek help from his neighbor, Emily, who was a skilled mechanic. Emily took one look at the pump and immediately identified the problem: a worn-out valve that needed to be replaced. With determination in her eyes, Emily set to work, dismantling the pump and replacing the faulty valve. Hours passed, but Emily never gave up. She worked tirelessly, using her expertise and ingenuity to restore the hydraulic pump to its former glory. Finally, as the sun began to set, the pump roared back to life, sending a surge of water through the irrigation channels. Jacob was overjoyed and grateful beyond words, thanks to Emily's skills and determination.